Hey everyone, it's Gabe. If Windows 11 keeps asking you to activate even though you've already activated it once, you're not alone. This is one of the most common issues we see at Indigo Software, and the truth is, there are only a few real reasons why this happens. Some of the reasons are harmless and easy to fix. Others mean that your Windows key was never legitimate in the first place. So, in this video, I want to break down the actual causes so you know exactly what's going on and what to do about it. Let's start with the number one cause. The number one reason that Windows 11 keeps asking for activation is that the original product key was temporary, or what Microsoft calls a non-permanent action. This usually happens with gray market keys, KMS keys, MAK keys from volume licenses, keys pulled from old corporate contracts, or keys sold way too cheap from random websites. These work for a little while, but eventually Microsoft checks them against their activation servers and removes them. When that happens on your PC, Windows starts asking for activation again. Reason number two is that the key was revoked later. Your key might have actually worked, activated normally, but months later it suddenly stopped working. This happens when Microsoft discovers that the key was abused, sold illegally, or used on too many devices. Even if you activated Windows successfully, it can be revoked later, especially with keys sold cheaply on unknown marketplaces. Reason number three is hardware change reset activation. If you changed major hardware, meaning your motherboard, your CPU, your storage, or you did a fresh install, Windows might think that it's running on a new device and ask for activation again. If you want to check your activation, here's how to do that. We'll hit Windows key together with I to open up our settings. And from our settings, we'll go into System, and we're going to go to Activation. If we need help, we can click the Get Help here, and that's going to help us troubleshoot our issue. If your key is linked to your Microsoft account, Windows will often reactivate automatically. Reason number four, wrong edition versus wrong key. You might be trying to activate the wrong edition. For example, you installed Windows 11 Home, but the key is for Windows 11 Pro, or you installed Windows 11 Pro, but the key is for Enterprise. Running Education, but the key is not for Education, and so on. Windows keys are edition specific. This means that if the edition doesn't match the key, activation will always fail. Reason number five is that Windows installation is not genuine. If Windows was never genuine, or if it was modified, pre-activated, or otherwise tampered with, activation will eventually fail. From the same activation menu, check and see what the status shows. If it shows unusual or inconsistent activation messages, Windows may not be properly licensed. Sometimes activation prompts appear temporarily after a big update. If this is the case, try rebooting or running the Windows update again. Often the activation server just needs to sync. So here's the simple breakdown. If the key was temporary or revoked, replace it. If you changed hardware, use the Activation Troubleshooter. If the edition doesn't match, reinstall or upgrade. And if Windows wasn't genuine, reinstall with a clean, valid key. A legitimate retail key permanently fixes activation issues. If you need a verified Windows 10 or 11 professional key, be sure to check those links in the description box below. At Indigo Software, every key is verified through our Indigo verification protocol. Hopefully this video helped you to resolve your activation issues. If you're interested in purchasing a Windows 10 or 11 key, Microsoft Office, Windows Server, remote desktop licenses, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll have all the links down below. As our channel continues to grow, we're constantly looking for new video topic ideas. If you have any ideas of your own, we'd love to know what those are. Most viewer commented requests get made into actual videos on the channel. Lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support our channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.